Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening up my March Stitch Fix box. So real quick, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service for men, women, and children. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she is going to help you to choose 5 items to put into your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, whatever you want. And when you fill out your profile, you tell them the things that you want to have sent to you and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all the items in your box, then you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply your $20 styling fee. I don't pay the $20 styling fee for each box because currently I still have the Style Pass. And so the Style Pass is where you pay $49 to have unlimited fixes sent to you throughout the year. Stitch Fix does do a fix preview, and so a couple weeks before your box is supposed to be sent to you, you should receive an email with about 10 items for you to look at and to decide if you want any of those items included in your box. And for this box, I did choose all 5 items that are in this box. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what I got this month. So first things first, you're going to see a prepaid mailer envelope. This envelope is used to send back anything that you decide not to keep, or if you need to make exchanges, you'll use this bag to send back to Stitch Fix. Shipping is free both ways, which makes it really nice and convenient. Next, you're going to see your white envelope, and inside that envelope is your price invoice sheet. And this is fix number 66 for me. Also inside that envelope is going to be your Oh Hello style card. And this is a note from your stylist, but it also gives you styling suggestions for the items that are in your box. All right, guys, I'm going to read my note real quick. Happy Fix Day. You made some amazing selections from your Fix preview, and I can't wait to hear what you think about each item. Our 2024 style forecast has wardrobe builders, essential, versatile, and timeless items that can be mixed and matched for various occasions as a trend to watch for the year. Not only do wardrobe builders keep you stylish, but they also simplify your daily routine and lead to effortless, stress-free dressing. What wardrobe builders can I include in your next fix to provide you with even more mix and match options? Leave a note for next time and let us do the rest to bring our 2024 style forecast to life. Tara. And here's a look at my bundle. As you can see, I selected items that would be great for spring transition. So let's check it out. All right, the first item is by Fortune and Ivy, the Dina Scallop Sleeve Mixed Material Blouse in white. And so here's what that looks like. It's a cute little floral print with lots of springtime colors. I see orange, red, purple, some green, and some like turquoise. It does have a little keyhole at the top, and it has the cute little scallop sleeve. It is a mixed material, and the back is a solid white. I just really thought this would be perfect for transitioning into spring. Next item is by 41 Hawthorn, the Morey split neck short sleeve blouse in blue. And so here's what that blouse looks like. I just really love this blue color for spring. It does have a little split neck, cap sleeves. The polka dots are not perfectly round, and so it's more like kind of, would you say that's like a splatter or abstract polka dot? This blouse is polyester, and it is that kind of crepey polyester, but I just thought it was another pretty color for spring. The third item is by 41 Hawthorn. It is the Tiffiny Tulip sleeve blouse in green. And so here's this blouse. Again, I was looking for spring type colors. I love this color green for this time of year, especially around St. Patrick's Day and things like that. This blouse has a ruffle detail around the neckline. It does have like a little tulip sleeve. And the polka dots are perfectly round, and they are like a royal blue and a white. And so that's just a cute little polyester blouse that I can put a cardigan over top. And the next item is a cardigan. It is by Market and Spruce, the Bridie textured 2-pocket cardigan in light purple. And I was just really drawn to the color of this cardigan. And so here's this cardigan. It does have like a little waffle texture. Little ribbing on the cuff of the sleeve here. It does have pockets, and there are slips on the side. And so I love this light purple color for spring. And so the last item is also by 41 Hawthorn, the Morey split neck sleeveless blouse in navy. And so here's what this blouse looks like. It has a split neck. It's got the navy background with it almost looks like off-white or almost like a lavender purple floral print. I'm gonna get up close so you can see that. Again, the texture is a little bit of that crepey texture, so if you don't like that, you may not like this blouse, but it does have stretch in it, which I really do appreciate. I do think that purple cardigan would look pretty over top of this, so I may try that together. All right, guys, I'm gonna get ready to do a try on, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first top by 41 Hawthorn, and this is the sleeveless top. It's the navy top that has like the little floral print. I really do think it's like an off-white, almost lavender floral print, so it's really cute. It has the little split neck. I think this is a good transition top because I can layer it with a cardigan, and then when it gets warmer, I can wear it without the cardigan. It is that kind of polyester that's kind of crepey feeling, but it does have stretch in it, which I do like. I have it paired with just some dark wash jeans. I feel like you could dress this top up or dress it more casually. It does scoop up on the side and come a little bit longer in the back. I really just like this little basic top for this time of year. I am going to put on that purple cardigan and see what we think. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with this cardigan over top of that blouse, and I think it pairs very nicely. I love the navy. Like I said, the floral print really does look almost lavender, so I think this pairs nicely. I love the waffle texture of this cardigan. I have this same cardigan, but in like a goldish, brownish color, and I absolutely love it. It just comes down straight on the front. It does have the pockets. It does have the little slips on the side, and I do like the length of the cardigan. So what do you guys think about these two items together? I think it's really cute. I'm gonna put on the next top and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the next top, and this one is by 41 Hawthorn, but it is the little tulip sleeve top. So it's this green top with a polka dot print. The polka dots are like a royal blue and a white. There is a ruffle detail around the neckline, and then it comes down into a V. This is a polyester top, but it's not as crepey as the other one, but this one doesn't feel like it has any stretch. It might have very little if it does. I do like the little tulip sleeve detail. I just think it makes it very fun and feminine. And I really just love this color and these polka dots for the springtime and into summertime. The top does come down in the front, scoops slightly on the side, and comes down a little bit longer in the back. I do think with the little ruffles and the little tulip sleeve detail that this top is a little bit dressier, so it's probably going to make for a really nice work blouse for me that I can layer with a cardigan if I need to. All right, I'll try on the blue top and I'll be right back. All right, the fourth item is this top by 41 Hawthorn. I didn't realize that the navy blue top and this top were both the Morey split neck top. One is sleeveless and one is not, but that's okay. I don't mind tops like this. I wear them a lot for work and things like that. So this top is like that, what I would call like a cornflower blue. I do like this color for spring. It does have the split neck. Now, instead of being sleeveless, it has a little cap sleeve, which I like for this time of year. It does have polka dots, but they're like an abstract, irregular polka dot, and they're larger. They're not the small polka dot. Again, it comes down in the front, scoops up on the side, longer in the back. This is that crepey material again, so it does feel like it has stretch in it because I feel the bounce in it. I think this would pair nicely with like white cropped pants for spring or summer. You guys tell me what you think. I'm gonna try on the last top and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the last top. And so this top is by Fortune and Ivy. I love the little off-white background with the beautiful springtime colored floral print. There is red, there's orange, there's purple, there's some green and some like aqua or turquoise color in there. It does have a little keyhole here on the top. And the sleeves are short with a little scallop edge detail. So the front of this blouse is polyester, so it does not have any stretch, but the back is like the rayon spandex mixture that they put on the mixed material blouses. It does come up a little bit, and down a little bit longer in the back. I do think with all these beautiful colors, you could pair lots of different cardigans with it if you wanted to. It's definitely a top that I would say is great for transitioning into spring and summer. So you guys tell me what you think. All right, guys, I'll be right back to do a recap and to talk about prices. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about prices. And overall, I think this was a really good fix for me. I was looking for spring transition items and springtime colors, and I think this box was filled with those types of items. First item on the list is by Fortune and Ivy, the Dina Scallop Sleeve Mixed Material Blouse in white, and the cost of this one is $39. It's the pretty off-white top with a very pretty floral print. You've got lots of different colors like red, orange, purple, turquoise. I really think this top has some great colors in it for pairing with different colored cardigans. I do like the little scallop sleeve detail. So you guys tell me what you think. Next is the cardigan by Market and Spruce, the Bridie textured 2-pocket cardigan in light purple. And I am absolutely loving this color for spring. It reminds me of Easter. I think it paired very nicely with that little navy sleeveless top. And the cost of this cardigan is $49. The next item is by 41 Hawthorn, the Tiffiny Tulip Sleeve Blouse in green, and this is $59, and it is the most expensive item in the box. And I'm guessing it's because of the ruffle detail around the neckline and also the tulip sleeves. I do love this green color for spring. I love polka dots. I do think this would pair nicely with white cropped pants. I don't own any white cropped pants, so I may need to check into getting some. All right, guys, next item on the list is also by 41 Hawthorn, the Morey split neck sleeveless blouse in navy, and the cost of this is $39. And here is what that blouse looks like. It's the navy little split neck blouse. It does have that little crepey texture. I love the way that this paired with the lavender cardigan, so I'm going to get up close so you can see that print. The floral print really does look like a lavender floral print. Cute. And then the last item is also by 41 Hawthorn. This is the Morey split neck short sleeve blouse in blue, and the cost of this is $45. And that is this blouse right here. The blue does have like a hint of purple to it, but it is like that cornflower or slate blue. Cute little top. I think it would also pair nicely with white cropped pants. All right, so my stylist pick subtotal is $231. If I buy all 5 items, I get to take off that 25% discount, which is $57.75. That leaves me with an order subtotal of $173.25. I did have somebody use my referral link, so I do have $25 that I can take off this. And so my cost would be a little under $150, which I think is a great deal for these beautiful tops and a really pretty cardigan. All right, guys, you tell me what you think. What was your favorite item in my box? I really love these colors. I'm excited about the warmer temperatures and things like that. I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. This referral link is good for first-time men or women customers for Stitch Fix. And so basically what you'll do is you'll click on that link, you'll fill out your information, and then you're going to get a box shipped to you for free, so you won't have to pay anything up front. And then you'll try on the clothing items that come to you in the box. And if you decide to keep anything, you can put that $25 towards anything that you're keeping. What I love about Stitch Fix is that you're only going to pay for what you keep. So if you send everything back, you're not going to pay for anything. My family and I absolutely love the convenience of this service. So if you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.